Our test person, what will you take? On the left, we have the Beyond Burger. That doesn't smell nice, does it? On the right, we have the real meat. Ah.
Good. Isn't it tasty?
Nice. That tastes good, eh?
See her tail, she's happy now.
Give it another go. No? You don't want our new vegan burger selection? I'm gonna sneak a Beyond.
Yeah, good idea.
Here we go. Let's put the Beyond chunk into it. See if she like it.
She didn't chew properly, so I chewed her.
Uh-huh. That's nice, no? No, it's not nice.
She ate it?
No, she's avoiding it.
I thought she ate it.
No, she smelled it and she went away. And this is the end result. That's hilarious. She ate everything but. Go vegan, everybody. Go vegan.
Last test, maybe let's see.
One last try. No chance.
Run for us.